Okay, welcome back to the vlog, you guys. So, today is a very windy / wintry, but it's gonna be a fun day. Now, if you guys can remember what we did 5 months ago, is we went to an Amish breakfast in Wisconsin. Of course, because we live in Wisconsin, so. But 5 months ago, we went to an Amish breakfast. I did not give you a whole lot of intel about that, and today there's another one. It is April the 14th, and it's a wintry day. So basically, we're gonna go to the Amish breakfast, and then we have a family get-together towards the end of the day. So probably no fishing this weekend, just because of temperatures. It's just the temperatures and the weather outside is not good for fishing. But we'll still make this a good vlog, and let's go. I'm a little tired. But anyways, Ella, how's that book? Good? Dad, you ready to go eat some delicious pancakes?
Yes, I am ready to go.
Yeah, literally, we're out in a blizzard. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about, guys. This is the blizzard. I mean, it's a mess. But we will manage through, and we will have a fantastic day. So we'll see you guys at the Amish breakfast. He's going in for the bite.
Burrito could be a missing piece for you.
See if you're eligible to pay no more than $10 a month.
Hey, listen up.
There.
You used to send out the camera.
Okay guys, welcome back. Sorry about the terrible lighting. I'm trying to fix that. So I went over by my lamp. I like this lamp. If you touch it, it changes the lighting. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching today's vlog, but it's not over. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of a road trip between, like, I don't know, we had to go to that anniversary party for one of my great uncles, and we went to that Amish breakfast this morning. So that was a lot of fun. But now I'm gonna show you guys something even cooler. I found an old storage file of videos or clips that I was going to make into videos, but I never ended up doing that because I feel like I didn't have enough like spiciness to the video. So I'm gonna roll some of those clips, and that will end the vlog. So see you guys tomorrow. We're on our way to the pond. I got the worms. Now we're about to go try to catch some fish. Let's go. Guys, my dad just caught this nice little bass here. We're about to get the nice release on this guy. Right, Dad? That's a nice fish, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Bye-bye. Hey, but we're catching fish, right?
Catching fish today.
Yeah. Woo! Let's go. So if you guys don't know, my dad just caught this bluegill on this freakishly tiny pole, you guys. This is insane.
Don't tell them the bait. Don't tell them the bait.
They can see it, Dad.
They don't want to go.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Pull up your pants there, Daddy-o. Lit. I just want to thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I mean, it was just a mess, but it was fun. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and make sure you guys check out some of my posts on Instagram. Check out some of my posts on Instagram. My Instagram is boom right there. Yeah, it's gone. That's right, because you probably didn't see it pop up. Oh, there it is. Okay. It goes pretty quick, so make sure you know. If you guys want to know my Instagram and my Snapchat, that's down in the bio below. I'm done talking. Good night.